Hey, fellow science enthusiasts, have you ever found yourself gazing up at the night sky, wondering about the mysteries of our solar system? Well, today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing questions out there. Ever wondered what would happen if you fell into Jupiter? This gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, holds many secrets. And today, we're going to explore what a journey into its depths would be like. Buckle up, because we're about to take an epic journey into the gas giant. Imagine strapping yourself into a spaceship and setting course for Jupiter. The adventure alone would be thrilling, but what happens when you actually reach the planet? First off, let's talk about Jupiter's atmosphere. It's a swirling, chaotic mix of gases with storms that are larger than Earth itself. Unlike Earth, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. This means there's no ground to land on, just layer upon layer of gas. It's composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. These elements make up the bulk of the planet, creating a dense, gaseous environment. So, if you were to fall in, you'd be plunging straight into its thick, gaseous atmosphere. Imagine diving into a sea of gas with no solid ground in sight. As you descend, you'd first hit the upper atmosphere, where the pressure is similar to what we experience on Earth. But this is just the beginning. But don't get too comfy. Jupiter's clouds are made of ammonia crystals. These tiny, sharp particles would make the descent feel like falling through a dense, toxic fog. It'd be like falling through a dense, toxic fog. The ammonia would be incredibly harsh on any protective gear you might be wearing. Now, as you continue your fall, the pressure starts to ramp up. The deeper you go, the more intense the pressure becomes. The temperature also begins to soar, reaching hundreds of degrees Celsius. This extreme heat would be unbearable without some serious protection. At around 100 kilometers down, the pressure is already 10 times what it is at sea level on Earth. This immense pressure would crush most materials. Imagine being squeezed by an invisible force. The pressure would be so intense that it would feel like the weight of the world is pressing down on you. Keep falling and you'd hit the region where the hydrogen gas turns into liquid. This transition is a fascinating aspect of Jupiter's atmosphere. This is called the liquid metallic hydrogen layer, and it's something we can't even recreate on Earth. The conditions here are beyond extreme. The pressure here is millions of times stronger than what you'd feel on the surface. It's a crushing force that defies imagination. At this point, you'd be crushed instantly. No known material could withstand such pressure. But let's say you're in a super strong, indestructible suit. Even then, the journey would be far from over. Deeper still, the temperature climbs to tens of thousands of degrees. This heat is beyond anything we experience on Earth. And finally, you'd reach the core of Jupiter. Scientists believe it's a dense, hot, and possibly rocky core, surrounded by a layer of metallic hydrogen. This core is the heart of the gas giant. The conditions here are so extreme that we can only theorize about what actually happens. Our current technology can't withstand such environments to provide concrete data. So, what have we learned from this wild ride? We've uncovered the layers of Jupiter's atmosphere, the crushing pressures and the searing temperatures. Jupiter is a massive, violent planet with crushing pressures and scorching temperatures. It's a world that challenges our understanding of planetary science. Falling into Jupiter would be a one-way trip with no way out. It's a journey that no human could survive. But isn't it fascinating to explore these extreme environments, even if only in our imagination? The mysteries of Jupiter continue to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Science helps us push the boundaries of what we know, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll have technology advanced enough to send probes deep into Jupiter's atmosphere. Imagine the discoveries we could make. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into Jupiter. It's been a thrilling exploration of one of the most mysterious planets in our solar system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Your support helps us bring you more exciting explorations. Until next time, stay curious. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of discovery alive.